Evaluating algebraic expressions. How do we evaluate algebraic expressions? Let us have these examples. For example, we are given the following. X is equal to 2, y is equal to -5, z is equal to 7, a is equal to -3, b is equal to 10, and c is equal to 1. And we are told to evaluate this first example. This 2x plus y. We just simply substitute the values of our variables given here to the given expression. That means 2x, the operation between 2 and x is multiplication. So when we substitute, see to it that the value of your variable, in this case the variable x is 2, should be enclosed in the parentheses to indicate that the operation between 2 and x is multiplication. So we substitute the value. We copy 2, then multiply 2. Since we have the x here, we will substitute the value of x, which is 2. So we will have 2 times x plus our y is -5. So instead of writing y, we change that with the value, which is -5. So enclose with the parentheses, -5. Then we simplify. 2 times 2 is 4. So we have 4 plus the -5. Now when we add 4 and -5, this is addition of integers. We just simply subtract and copy the sign of the term having the highest absolute value, the greatest absolute value. In this case, we will subtract 5 minus 4, which is 1, and we copy the sign of -5, so our answer is -1. Let's proceed to the next example. For example, we are given 3 minus a squared. Okay, we substitute the value. We have the 3 here, minus, our a is -3, so change that with -3. Then we copy the square. Again, we copy 3, we copy the minus, then our a is -3, so we change a with -3, and we copy the exponent 2. To simplify this expression, we simplify first the term having the exponent 2. So meaning, we just simply copy the 3 here, then we copy the minus, then 3 or -3 squared, that means -3 times -3, which is +9. Then we have 3 minus 9 is -6. Next example. For example, we are given 3a plus b minus c. Again, our a is -3, our b is 10, our c is 1. We will substitute these values to the variables here, so we will have 3, copy, times our a is -3, so change that with -3, plus our b is 10, minus our c is 1. So we simplify. 3 times -3 is -9. Then 10 minus 1 is +9. -9 plus 9 is 0. Okay. Let's proceed to another example. We are still given x equals 2, y equals -5, z equals 7, a equals -3, b equals 10, and c equals 1. For example, we will evaluate a squared plus y squared. This time again we have a is -3, so change a squared or a with -3. Then you copy square. Plus our y is -5, so we have -5 quantity square. we just simply substitute the value of a, which is negative 3. So we have negative 3, then we copy the square, we copy the plus, then we have the a, and we have the y, which is negative 5. Y is equal to negative 5, and we copy the square. And this time we will simplify. We square negative 3, that is positive 9. That means negative 3 times negative 3. Then we square negative 5, that is positive 25. So 9 plus 25 is equal to 34. So our answer is 34. Next example. A times B plus C, or that is AB plus C. So we substitute. Again, the operation between A and B is multiplication. So we will have negative 3 times the B, which is positive 10, plus the C, which is 1. Then multiply. Negative 3 times 10 is negative 30. 10 plus 1. Negative 30 plus 1 is negative 29. So this is now our answer. How about we are to solve, or we are to evaluate 3xy with the same given? So we substitute. We copy 3 times our x is 2 times our y is negative 5. So we copy the 3. The x here is 2. Our y is negative 5. We multiply everything. That is 3 times 2 is 6. Then multiplied to negative 5. Negative 5 times 6 will give us negative 30. Okay, another example. The same given x, y, z, a, b, and c. For example, we are to solve, or we are to evaluate 5z plus 3b. So we copy 5. We copy 5 times the z is 7, plus we copy the 3 times the b is 10. Then we multiply. 5 times 7 is 35. Then 3 times 10 is 30. So our final answer would be 65. Next example. Negative 4y plus 2x. Our y is negative 5. Our x is 2. Again, we simply copy negative 4. Our y is negative 5. Plus, we copy 2 times our x is 2. So this is negative 4 times negative 5. The same sign multiplied, their product would be positive. So we have negative 4 times negative 5 is positive 20. 2 times 2 is positive 4. So 20 plus 4 is 24. The next example, 5 plus c squared. Again, our c is 1. So we copy 5. We copy plus, and our c is 1 quantity squared. 1 squared is 1. That means 1 times 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, next example. The same given x, y, z, a, b, and c. We are to evaluate number 1, 7c plus z over x. So substitute. We copy 7. Our c is 1. So instead of writing c here, we substitute the value of c, which is 1. Plus, our z is 7. That's over. Our x is 2. So we substitute 2. We have 7 times 1 is 7, plus 7 over 2. Therefore, 7 plus 7 is 14 over 2. 14 divided by 2 is 7. So this is now the final answer. Okay, so thank you and God bless. I hope you have learned something from this video. Then if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friends. Thank you and God bless.